Welcome to the Omahezea channel.
Admire a minimalist treehouse featuring an elevated infinity deck, blending sleek glass walls with wood and steel accents. Suspended above glowing rice fields, this house offers panoramic views of rivers, mountains, and hills. Sunset golden tones highlight its modern elegance, creating a cinematic masterpiece. A perfect design for those who desire breathtaking views combined with minimalist sophistication and natural harmony. Experience tranquility in a Zen-inspired minimalist treehouse. Featuring sliding glass panels, wooden frames, and a balcony garden, this home radiates peaceful charm. Elevated above vibrant rice terraces, with flowing rivers and mountain views, it blends Japanese aesthetics with modern simplicity. Captured at sunrise, soft golden light bathes the design in warmth and serenity, a perfect escape for those seeking balance and beauty. Step into a futuristic treehouse connected by a sky bridge between two trees. With minimalist glass facades, wooden accents, and flat roof design, the structure floats above rice paddies and rivers. Mountains and green hills provide a dramatic backdrop, while early morning mist enhances the cinematic atmosphere. This is a dream retreat blending innovation, simplicity, and stunning landscapes in perfect harmony. Explore a Scandinavian-style minimalist treehouse with clean white walls, slanted roof, and natural wood tones. Elevated gracefully above rice paddies, the design offers peaceful views of rivers, mountains, and green hills. Simplicity and elegance define the atmosphere, with soft morning light creating a cinematic scene. This is a perfect retreat for those who admire cozy modern living surrounded by nature. Discover a tropical minimalist treehouse crafted with bamboo accents, warm wood, and wide glass walls. Nestled above lush rice fields, this home embraces the freshness of tropical daylight. With views of clear rivers, misty mountains, and rolling hills, the treehouse blends nature and architecture in perfect balance. A cinematic composition captures its vibrant charm, creating a relaxing tropical escape. Step into luxury with the Minimalist Treehouse Oasis, designed with floor-to-ceiling windows and polished wooden textures. Elevated high above rice terraces, the structure embraces natural beauty while maintaining elegance. Sunset golden light reflects on the flowing river, distant mountains, and rolling hills. Experience a minimalist treehouse with a stunning rooftop terrace and wooden deck. Elevated above lush rice paddies, this home design captures the essence of relaxation and modern simplicity. Wide open spaces and natural wood details complement breathtaking views of rivers, mountains, and green hills. A cinematic perspective highlights the seamless connection between nature and architecture, bathed in daylight beauty. Step into a cozy wooden treehouse retreat, combining natural textures with minimalist charm. Elevated above rice paddies with mountain and river views, this design offers serenity and warmth. Featuring wood panels, steel details, and glass railings, the house embraces its surroundings while remaining stylish and modern. Captured in golden hour light, the treehouse glows with comfort and beauty. Discover the beauty of a modern minimalist treehouse, designed with clean cube form and wide glass windows. Surrounded by rice fields, a clear river, mountains, and rolling hills, this treehouse blends simplicity with breathtaking scenery. Experience natural daylight, cinematic wide views, and the perfect harmony between architecture and landscape. Explore the elegance of a floating glass treehouse with minimalist cube design. Suspended gracefully among sturdy branches, the transparent walls frame stunning landscapes of rice fields, rivers, mountains, and hills. This futuristic design blends luxury with nature, offering panoramic views and sleek modern style. Photorealistic detail and misty morning light create a cinematic atmosphere perfect for dreamers. Final cost estimate, treehouse 16 square meters, basic, simple, no bathroom, $11,000 to $12,300, standard, comfortable plus electricity, $15,500 to $17,400. Complete, fully equipped with bathroom and septic tank, $24,500 to $27,100. So the overall budget for a small minimalist treehouse is between $11,000 and $27,000, depending on design complexity, materials, and included facilities.